Sony expands PS5 universe with new gaming monitor and speakers. Sony's not content with just dominating your living room. Now they're eyeing your desk too. Tucked at the end of a Japan-focused State of Play event, the company unveiled a 27-inch PlayStation-branded gaming monitor that's got gamers buzzing. This QHD IPS panel rocks a crisp 2560 by 1440 resolution, hitting a buttery 240Hz refresh rate on PCs and Macs, while capping at 120Hz for PS5 and PS5 Pro setups. HDR with auto-tone mapping keeps visuals vibrant, plus a handy built-in port charges your DualSense or DualSense Edge controller. Connectivity? Solid dual HDMI 2.1 ports for that 240Hz glory, a DisplayPort 1.4, plus USB-A, USB-C, stereo speakers, and a headphone jack. It's all set to drop in the US and Japan in 2026, though specs could tweak before then. This monitor's no lone wolf. It's Sony's latest flex in building out the PS5 ecosystem with branded gear. Now add the Pulse Elevate wireless speakers, also slated for 2026, to amp up your audio game. Sony's clearly betting big on keeping everything in the PlayStation family, making your setup feel seamless and oh so official. If you're deep in the PS5 life, this could be the upgrade that ties it all together. Mark your calendars.